In previous lecture, we have seen the special function registers of 8051, right? We have seen the architecture, the total architecture of 8051. Now this 8051 is of 8-bit register, right? Now that means 8-bit microcontroller, right? Now this 8051 is of 8-bit microcontroller. That means it will do ALU operation which is of 8 bits, right? Now coming to next topic, we will see the difference between 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit MCs. MCs is nothing but microcontroller. MP is nothing but microprocessor. You have to remember the shortcuts. MP is nothing but microprocessor and MC is nothing but microcontroller, right? Now coming to the next topic, that is difference between 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit microcontrollers. Now let us see the difference between these three microcontrollers. These 3 bits, that means 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now the coming to first block, that is coming to first topic, that is first idea, right? We have 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now 8-bit microcontroller contains how much data you can on 8-bit data you can do 8-bit ALU operations under 8-bit MC. That means now this has data bus of 8-bit, right? Now this has 8-bit data bus. 8-bit microcontroller has 8-bit data bus. If it is 16-bit microcontroller, now this contains 16-bit data bus, right? Now data bus is used to carry 16-bit data, right? Now similarly 32-bit microcontroller is having 32-bit data bus, right? Now coming to first the variation, that is data bus, right? Now data bus is of 8-bit under 8-bit microcontroller, data bus is of 16-bit under 16-bit microcontroller, and data bus is of 32-bit under 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now under 8-bit microcontroller we are having 8-bit data. That means on 8-bit data you can perform arithmetic and logical operations. Under 16-bit microcontroller you can do ALU operations on 16-bit data. Under 32-bit microcontroller you can do ALU operations under 32-bit data, right? Coming to first variation, that is data bus, right? Data bus or the data bus will carry that data, right? Coming to first variation, that is data bus. 8-bit is under 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit under 16-bit microcontroller, 32-bit under 32-bit microcontroller. This is the first variation, first difference between 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller. Now coming to next variation, now this performs 8-bit ALU operations, right? Now this performs 8-bit ALU operations. Since the 8-bit microcontroller contains 8-bit data, on 8-bit data only it can perform ALU operation, right? Now this performs 16-bit ALU operations, right? This performs 16-bit ALU operations and this performs 32-bit ALU operation, right? This performs 32-bit ALU operation. This is the second difference between your 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now coming to cost point of view, coming to third difference between these microcontrollers. Now coming to cost point of view, this 8-bit microcontroller is of less cost. This 8-bit microcontroller is of less cost. Now this is costly. 16-bit microcontroller is costly than 8-bit microcontroller. Now this 32-bit microcontroller is more costly, right? Now coming to cost point of view, least cost is for 8-bit. Now somewhat more cost greater than your 8-bit is for 16-bit. Now that is 32-bit is having more cost than 16-bit and 8-bit, right? Now this is the third difference between your 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller. Next, registers point of view, right? What are the registers you have? You have A register, B register and some general purpose register, right? Now whatever the register we have seen under 8051 is of how many bits it can store? 8 bits, right? Now 8-bit microcontroller is having 8-bit registers, right? 8-bit microcontroller will be having 8-bit registers. Now 16-bit microcontroller will be having 16-bit registers with 8-bit registers with 16-bit registers with, and here it will be having 32-bit registers with, right? Now all these contain some registers in order to store the value. Now that will be that can store 8-bit data under 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit data under 16-bit microcontroller, and 32-bit data under 32-bit microcontroller. This is the fourth difference between your 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now coming to next point of view, this will be having 8-bit timers, right? This 8-bit microcontrollers will be having 8-bit timers and 16-bit timers for 16-bit microcontrollers and 32-bit timers for 32-bit microcontrollers. What are timers? Timers is used to provide delay by counting, right? 8-bit timer, you may get doubt, 8051 is also an 8-bit microcontroller, but it is having 16-bit timer. That is an additional feature of 8051, but normally any 8-bit microcontroller will be containing 8-bit timers only, but 8051 it has 16-bit timers. You may get doubt, but that is an additional feature of 8051, right? Now this is about 8-bit timers, right? Now it can now timers will provide delay by counting, right? Now it can count value up to 0 to 2 power 8. Now this will count value from 0 to 2 power 16. Now this will count value up to 0 to 2 power 32. You know this, right? Now coming to next difference between 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit register. Now here you will be having 8-bit address bus. Here you will having 8-bit address bus. Here you will be having 16-bit address bus. 16-bit address bus. Here you will be having 32-bit address bus. 32-bit address bus, right? But here also you may get doubt, ma'am, 8051 is having 16-bit address bus, right? But we are saying 8-bit microcontroller contains 8-bit address. It is a general scenario is that 8-bit microcontroller should contain 8-bit address bus, but it may contain greater than that, but some microcontrollers contains greater than that value. Now 8051 is one of them, right? Now this is another difference between these three microcontrollers. 8-bit microcontroller is having 8-bit address bus, 16-bit microcontroller is having 16-bit address bus, and 32-bit microcontroller is having 32-bit address bus, right? Now this is accurate. 8-bit microcontrollers will provide accurate results of ALU operations and more accuracy. This provides the results which are of more accuracy. Best accuracy can be observed under 32-bit microcontroller. This is another difference between your 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now this address bus is of 8-bit, right? Now how many address locations you will have? 2 power 8, right? 2 power 8 address location. That means it can address up to 2 power 8 address locations, right? Now similarly 2 power 16 address location. Since it is a 16-bit address bus, it can address up to 2 power 16 address locations, and here it is 2 power 32 address location. This is another difference between 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit, right? Now coming to examples of 8-bit microcontroller, you have AVR, PIC and 8051 family you have, etc. These are the 8-bit microcontrollers. Coming to 16-bit microcontrollers, 8096. This was introduced by Intel. 8096 is a 16-bit microcontroller. And coming to 32-bit microcontroller, you have ARM we call it as. PIC, you have PIC available under 8-bit and also available under 32-bit. And next you have 80960. 80960. These are your 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now this is the difference between 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller. Only the difference is bits. On bits, how many on how much data, how many bits of data you can perform ALU operations. Only the difference, right? Coming to 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit microcontroller and 32-bit microcontroller, let us see the difference one by one. Now this 8-bit microcontroller is containing 8-bit data bus. 16-bit microcontroller will contain 16-bit data bus. 32-bit microcontroller will contain 32-bit data bus, right? Now data bus is used to carry data bits, right? Now this can perform 8-bit ALU operations. 8-bit microcontroller will perform 8-bit ALU operations. The 16-bit microcontroller will perform 16-bit ALU operations. 32-bit microcontroller will perform 32-bit ALU operations. Now 8-bit coming to cost point of view, 8-bit microcontroller is of less cost. 16-bit microcontroller is somewhat costlier than 8-bit, and 32-bit microcontroller is more costly, right? Its cost is greater than your 16-bit microcontroller and 8-bit microcontroller. Now coming to registers point of view, now 8-bit microcontroller contains 8-bit data. That means its register can store only up to 8-bit data. That's why 8-bit registers with. Now 16-bit microcontroller contains 16-bit data. Now that data is stored under 16-bit registers with. Now 32-bit microcontroller contains 32-bit data. That particular 32-bit data is stored under 32-bit registers, right? Now the registers under 8-bit are of width of 8-bit, and under 16-bit registers width is 16-bit, and under 32-bit registers width is 32-bit, right? Now coming to timers point of view, 8-bit microcontroller contains 8-bit timers, 16-bit microcontroller contains 16-bit timers, 32-bit microcontroller contains 32-bit timer. Now timer will provide the delay by counting, right? Now the count value will be varying from 0 to 2 power 8 for 8-bit, and 0 to 2 power 16 for 16-bit MC, and 0 to 2 power 32 for 32-bit MC, right? Now coming to address bus point of view, 8-bit microcontroller contains 8-bit address bus, 16-bit microcontroller contains 16-bit address bus, and 32-bit microcontroller contains 32-bit address bus, right? Now coming to accuracy, 8-bit microcontroller operations, ALU operation, right? The result of 8-bit microcontroller is accurate, more accuracy, and best accuracy can be observed under your 32-bit microcontroller, right? Best accuracy you can observe under your 32-bit microcontroller. Most of the accuracy can be observed under 16-bit, but the results of 8-bit are also accurate, right? Now coming to address locations, right? You have 8-bit address for 8-bit microcontroller. That means 2 power 8 address locations can be observed under 8-bit microcontroller. Now 16-bit address bus is for 16-bit microcontroller. That means 2 power 16 address locations can be observed under 16-bit microcontroller. Now coming to 32-bit microcontroller, now this contains 32-bit address bus. That means 2 power 32 address locations can be observed, right? And next, coming to the examples of 8-bit, you have AVR, which is microcontroller, which is an 8-bit microcontroller. Next you have PIC microcontroller, which is also an 8-bit microcontroller. And next you have 8051 family, as I have said, family. Internally it contains some 8951, 8952, all those are of 8-bit microcontroller, right? Now those are the examples of 8-bit microcontroller. Now coming to 16-bit microcontroller, 8096. 8096 microcontroller is of 16-bit microcontroller, and this was introduced by Intel. Not only 8096, 8051 family is also introduced by Intel, right? Now coming to 32-bit microcontroller, you have ARM microcontroller, ARM microcontroller. Now next you have PIC microcontroller, which is also an 32-bit microcontroller. Now this PIC is also observed under your 8-bit microcontroller, latest version of PIC, right? First it was introduced under 8-bit, next it has extended up to 32-bit, right? And next you have 80960. Now this is also an 32-bit microcontroller, right? Now this is the difference between your 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontroller. In next lecture we will see the family of 8051, right? Total family, 8051 family, which is an 8-bit microcontroller. In next lecture we will see the family of 8051, overview of 8051 family, right? Thank you.